Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're all good and doing great. You're welcome back to Omo Healthy Living channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are more than welcome. This is a channel where we bring awareness to a healthy way of living. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make watermelon flavored water. Trust me, you are going to love this drink. Not only is watermelon water tasty, but it's also healthy and packed full with amazing health benefits, which combine together with its great refreshing taste, make for a healthy drink, fitting for this summertime weather. If you are looking for a tasty, hydrating drink to drink this summer, I recommend you stay tuned, as this watermelon flavor water is very simple but very rewarding to make. This drink helps to take out toxins from the body and cleans the liver and kidney. It's also great for heart health. Now, without further ado, let me show you how to make this drink. Here is the watermelon. I'm going to use a portion of it and chop it, then put it in the blender. You can keep this drink in the fridge up to 2 days and drink it whenever you like. I will then fill the blender up with water before blending. If you like, you can add ginger and blend it together with the watermelon. Sugar and other sweeteners are optional. If you're aiming to lose weight, having a glass of this drink before a meal will make you feel more full with less food. After blending, I will strain the drink and squeeze in some lemon, then the drink will be ready to serve. At this point, you can add some fresh mint for a more refreshing taste. To get more information, check out my other video about the health benefits of watermelon. Hope you find the information in this video helpful. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up to enable me to make more health related content. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and make sure you press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. Leave your queries in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and let's stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.